Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today's special is quail egg pepper roast. Quail eggs are small in size but it has good source of protein, vitamin A, B12, iron, selenium, healthy fats, etc. Easy to make and delicious in taste. For this to make, I have taken half inch cinnamon, 2 cloves, 1 teaspoon jeera, half spoon fennel seed, 2 dried red chilies. Dry roast them on low medium flame until it is aromatic. Once it is done, transfer to a mixer jar and make a fine powder and keep aside. Into a same pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, few crushed garlic and curry leaves, and add 1 medium sized fine chopped onion. Saute it well. Once they are translucent, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste. For this I have added 1 medium sized fine chopped tomato and saute it well until tomatoes are like fine mash. Add 2 teaspoons of grounded masala powder. Keep the flame on low and fry them well. Add half cup of water and cook it well so that it won't stick to the bottom. Boil the quail eggs for 4 to 5 minutes on medium heat and add it to this masala. Mix well, close lid and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low medium heat so that it absorbs the salt and pepper. Finally, when it comes to the gravy consistency, add fine chopped coriander leaves, mix well and turn off the flame. Now it's ready to be served. Whenever you cook with a stove, cook with a love. Every dish can be delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more such videos. See you again. Bye bye.